Oi mate, welcome to all Australia. We're here to look at some birds, mate. Some Vegemite birds. Let's bring in one of these birds. It's quite an invasive species of bird. They really like crackers and listen, there'll be many big bird.
I can't get it.
He's full of all sorts of nutrients that we can harvest from his livers if you need.
You grab his legs, I grab his arms.
I'll grab his legs.
This bird is specifically to the southern United States region of the United States.
Oh my God!
It's coming. Here it is. This is the bird. This is the bird. Look at this bird.
Took this little bird legs.
Hello.
Those are our animal wranglers. They're animal wranglers. Come show yourselves. Come in. All right. This is the bird. Look at it. Look at its beautiful cracker. Oh, okay. Hold on. Shut the hell up. Eat the cracker, you son of a bitch. All right. This is just the bird. All right. Look at it. Look at its beautiful arms and its feathers. Look at the feathers. All right. Look at its feet. Oh, the talons on the feet, man. Vegemite, shrimps on the barbie. This is a species of beautiful word, look at its ears, look at this puppy's ears. Look at its eyes, it's a nice bird, it tastes wonderful. And we can harvest it later on in our other show called Cooking with Men, where we make food with nature. All right, well, I'm gonna get out of here. Goodbye.
Hello, I'm a different person because I have a jacket.
That's my jacket.
Shut up, you. I'm the animal controlman, and I cauterize. I rip the balls off of the birds.
What?
Come here, Paul.
I am a different man as well because I have a jacket. I am animal control too.
We are the animal control brothers.
Yeah.
We're taking this puppy out of here.
This is dangerous. Why are you going that way? Go in the middle.
It's too late. It's gonna fall.
No, you're fine.
No, Bird, you're fine.
Alright, thanks for watching Hola Australia with the bird. We still don't know what this bird. Oh my god, what the hell? Oh my